Right here in this video, I will be showing you how you can get a $50 no deposit bonus, right? And if you watch this video to the end, I will show you every single thing you need to know concerning this particular no deposit bonus, all right? But before I proceed, I've been putting a lot of effort to ensure that everybody gets funded this month. And please, to support this course, ensure you're in my Telegram channel and also ensure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Alright, so the link to join my Telegram channel will be in the description. So don't forget to also like this particular video. Let's give this video a lot of likes so that this video can reach as more people as possible, and more people can be able to benefit from this particular free account. It is not a competition account. It is not a challenge account. It is a free $50 no deposit bonus, and all you just have to do is to trade it, meet with the terms and condition, and you'll be able to withdraw. All right. This bonus is actually coming from a new broker that is just launching, and that is why they are giving out this free bonus. And also, I've posted this on my Telegram channel for about a week or even more now. And those that are on my Telegram channel have already registered and they are already getting this particular account. This is the link right here, as you can see. This is the link. So I'll drop the link again in my Telegram so that people can be able to get it. Just click on the link and it is going to direct you right here. Alright, so as you can see, this is the platform right here. Now, all you have to do right now is just to input your details right here, and then you click on join the wait list. All right, you have to join the wait list. So as you can see, after clicking on that, after registering, this is it right here. As you can see, this is the number of traders that have registered and are waiting for this particular $50. Right, so I don't want you guys to miss out. That is why I am making this video right now. All right, as you can see, this is the bonus to claim right here, $50. So I've successfully joined the wait list, and this particular broker will be launching officially in the next few weeks. All right, so stay active in my Telegram channel, and I've explained earlier my Telegram channel how you can get there. Just ensure you are active in my Telegram channel, all right, so that you'll be able to be a part of this wonderful opportunity. All right, just use the link in the description and also the pinned comment section. It will direct you to my Telegram. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe. All right, thank you so much for watching. I will see you at the top, and I will see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.